Perfectly normal foods that can kill you if you eat them wrong. Let's get right into it. Number one, the seed of death. Ah, yes, apples, nature's candy, the poster child for health. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, unless you eat the wrong part and end up needing several doctors very quickly. See, inside that shiny, innocent fruit are little black seeds, and inside those are small amounts of amygdalin, which your body helpfully converts into cyanide. That's right, cyanide. You know, the stuff spies use in movies to avoid interrogation. Now, don't panic, swallowing a seed or two won't send you to meet your ancestors. But chewing them up and going full Snow White Witch Apprentice mode, that's where things get spicy. And not in a good way. To actually get poisoned, you'd need to chew and digest a lot of seeds, like hundreds. But the fact that it's even possible to be taken out by a fruit that's literally in kids' lunchboxes should give you pause. So, next time you're casually chomping through an apple core like some kind of fruit anarchist, maybe don't. Your digestive system will thank you, and so will MI6. Number two, the pretty sushi assassin. You're at a trendy sushi bar, there's soft jazz playing. A tiny plate arrives with something that looks like salmon's overachieving cousin. It's fugu, or pufferfish, aka one of the most dangerous meals on Earth, served with a garnish of death wish. This fish contains tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin that's up to 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide. One fish has enough venom to wipe out 30 people, and there's no known antidote. Now here's the fun part. Fugu is considered a delicacy. It's like Russian roulette with chopsticks. Chefs in Japan must train for years and get a special license just to prepare it. One wrong slice, and congrats, you've just eaten a biological weapon. But people still order it. Why? Because humans are ridiculous. There's even a myth that the slight tingling from a tiny dose of the toxin is part of the experience, as if flirting with paralysis is a feature, not a bug. So, yeah, go ahead and order the fugu, just maybe double check your chef's Yelp reviews first. Number three, kidney bean chaos. You know what's wild? That chilly night at your friend's house could technically be a biohazard. Enter raw red kidney beans, the ingredient that can turn your digestive system into a disaster zone. These unassuming legumes contain a compound called phytohemagglutinin, which sounds like a spell you'd hear in a Harry Potter duel, but actually just causes explosive vomiting. Here's the kicker. It only takes 4 to 5 raw beans to make you violently ill. Not undercooked, not questionable, just raw. Like, oops, I soaked them but forgot to boil them. Raw. That kind. And don't even think about slow cooking them straight out of the bag. That increases the toxin concentration, because, of course, it does. So, the next time someone brags about making chili from scratch in their crock pot, maybe ask if they boiled the beans first. Or bring your own antacid in a bucket, just in case. Number four, nutmeg. But make it a nightmare. You're baking cookies. Everything smells like cinnamon joy and warm nostalgia. You toss in some nutmeg because you're fancy like that. What you don't realize is that nutmeg is also a hallucinogenic delirium in disguise. Yep, consume too much of this Christmas-scented powder, and your brain hits the panic button. We're talking nausea, seizures, paranoia, and full-on delusions that can last for days. The magic ingredient here is myristicin, which in small doses gives you cozy holiday vibes, and in large doses turns your digestive system into a horror movie. People have ended up in the ER because of nutmeg challenges, which proves once again that humans have the critical thinking skills of wet cardboard. To be clear, sprinkling a little nutmeg on your latte won't hurt you. But chasing a buzz by snorting the spice rack, that's how you end up astral projecting into the worst parts of your subconscious. Number five, death by potatoes. Yes, really. What's more innocent than a potato? It's the backbone of comfort food. Fries, mash, chips, all glorious. But under the wrong conditions, this beloved root vegetable turns into a chemical trap. When exposed to light for too long, potatoes can develop a green tint. And that green isn't just aesthetic. It's a sign of solanine, a natural neurotoxin that the plant produces as a defense mechanism. In small doses, solanine causes nausea and vomiting. In larger doses, it can paralyze your nervous system and cause death. There have been actual cases of people dying after eating nothing but homegrown green-skinned potatoes. And don't think cooking them makes it safe. Heat doesn't destroy solanine. So, next time you see a potato that looks like it's trying to cosplay as the Hulk, just throw it away. No fries are worth hallucinating your own funeral.